Holy cow. Holy cow. I didn't even pull a feather. What a big covey. Holy cow. Caught me by surprise. I'm thinking it's going to be a damn rooster. It's a freaking giant covey of quail. What a big covey. Holy cow. What a big covey. Wow. And my shooting sucks. Whoa. 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 Get him, Olive! Get him! Get him! Good girl. Good girl. Bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here. You got him. You got him, didn't you? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Nice work. Good job, girl. Nice rooster. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Get him. Whoa! Whoa! Ah, damn it, Olive. Yeah, you busted him. Whoa. Nice. Got him. Get him, Olive. Dead bird. Get him, Olive. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good girl. Good girl. Bring him here. Get him. Get him. Get him. Good girl. You have a hard time picking them up, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, that's a nice one there. Ow. Spurred the shit out of me. Nice rooster. Smoked his butt. covey of quail. I can see him running. Whoa! 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 Whoa your ass. Whoa! I'm gonna nuke you. Where'd they go? I just saw them. There they go. There we are. Look at that right there. It's a covey of quail. I saw them. Whoa. Good deal. Get it all, good girl. Man, this is a nice rooster. Pretty old bird. Look at those spurs. And look at that, man. Look at that. I mean, that is a tail. Holy cow. Look at that. Poof. Nice. Good looking bird. Got a pretty low hanging red deal there. I don't know what they call that, but yeah, man. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Olive made a nice point on him. Oh yeah, he got it good. Oh boy. Yes, he did. Look at that. Man. A lot different than this guy. This rooster's like nothing compared to that one. Old bird though, as well. Probably a 2-year-old bird, maybe more. That's Big Daddy right there.